Hey crafters, it's a wonderful day at Firefly Craft, and today we're going to learn how to take a piece of custom artwork, voila, and turn it into something on fabric. Today's project is going to be a t-shirt, but you can make it a pillow or a wall hanging, whatever your heart desires. So, when you're having your child draw a piece of artwork, or when you're drawing it yourself, I'm not going to be age discriminatory here, but for the purposes of this video, I'm going to say your child. When you're having your child draw the artwork, make sure it's on plain white paper. I like cardstock even better than this coffee paper, but this is how it happened today. So on white paper, and give them the biggest, chunkiest black marker you can find. It was a Sharpie at my house, and I wouldn't normally recommend giving a kid a Sharpie, but with supervision and for the sake of cuteness, we're making it work today. So white paper, Sharpie, let your kid have artistic license. Once this part's done, you whip out your cell phone and take a picture and use an app called CamScan to change that picture into a PDF, which you can then suck into your Silhouette Studio or whatever cutting file you're using and turn it into a cut file. All right, now that we've got our lovely artwork turned into vinyl, we are ready to go. Just load your t-shirt into your heat press, or you can do this with an iron, whatever you have available to you. I'm gonna go ahead and, because this is such interesting artwork, push a middle here, and line it up with the middle of the tag. Got an adult shirt, so I'm going about 3 fingers width down. And we're gonna press for 15 seconds at 305 degrees for regular heat transfer. Regular heat transfer vinyl is hot or cool peel, so it's pretty forgiving, whatever you want to do. And voila! It turned out so cute. What a fun way to memorialize this stage that kids are in. And it can be fun for little kids, for big kids, any age. Hope you've enjoyed our tutorial today. If you liked it, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. We hope to see you around again real soon.